Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we get older, many women prefer hairstyles that are simple, stylish and easy to manage. A good haircut can save time, look elegant and make you feel confident every day. Let's look at some beautiful and easy haircut ideas that do not require much styling. The first haircut is the classic short bob. This haircut is one of the most popular styles for women over 50. It is neat, stylish and very easy to maintain. The hair is cut around the jawline, which frames the face nicely. A short bob looks beautiful with natural grey hair, and it only needs simple brushing to look perfect. The second idea is the layered short haircut. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This is perfect for women whose hair has become thin over time. The layers make the hair look fuller and lighter. You can simply wash, dry and go without spending too much time styling. Another great option is the pixie haircut. The pixie cut is short, medium and very easy to manage. It requires very little effort in the morning. Many women love this haircut because it looks fresh, confident and youthful. It also keeps you comfortable, especially during warm weather. Next is the shoulder length layered haircut. Some women prefer a little longer hair, and this style is perfect for them. Shoulder length hair with soft layers looks natural and elegant. It is long enough to tie back if needed, but still easy to care for. This style works well for both straight and slightly wavy hair. Another beautiful idea is the soft shag haircut. The shag haircut has light layers and texture. It gives the hair a relaxed and modern look. This haircut does not need perfect styling. Even natural waves and texture make it look good, which makes it a great low maintenance option. The curly short haircut is also a great choice for women who have natural curls. Instead of fighting the curls, this style embarrasses them. A short layered cut helps curls look bouncy and healthy. With a little curl cream or light styling product, your hair will look amazing. Another simple haircut is the blunt bob. This haircut has straight, even ends and looks very neat. It is easy to maintain and gives a clean look. Many women over 50 choose this haircut because it is classic and timeless. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.